Etapa 5, sección 8. Describe naturaleza, lección 5 de 6.
Queridos amigos de
Beaches Books.
Is it raining hard?
Está lloviendo fuerte.
You found the frog that got into the house. Where was it hidden?
Tú encontrarás el sapo que está en la casa. ¿Dónde se escondió? It's on the couch.
There are tiny bugs all over the plant.
Hay bichos pequeñitos en toda la planta. There are tiny bugs all over the plant. Bugs.
The weather will be cloudy and cool.
El tiempo. El clima. Estará nublado y frío.
The bridge is icy.
I see. Wow, look outside it. Snowed. Wow, mira afuera. Está neblando.
Snowed.
Fuerte esta noche.
The roads were icy.
I see. El clima estará nublado frío.
The weather will be cloudy and cool.
I like these cooler temperatures.
I like these cooler temperatures. Take care. Careful.
Careful.
The
stairs
are
icy.
Be careful. Mi hija tiene miedo de ese bicho porque my daughter is afraid of that because it's huge. The frogs hiding somewhere. Where did this hide? Yes. Vi a una mujer en el bosque, pero su cara estaba escondida. I saw in the woods, but her face was hiding. Llovió fuerte toda la mañana.
Rained. Rained.
It. Hard rain.
Rained.
All morning.
Morning.
It raining hard. Ten cuidado, las cosas están crudas.
Be
careful.
Careful. The stairs
are icy.
Icy.
Luego fuerte toda la mañana.
It.
Hard raining.
Rained. All
morning.
Morning.
Rain it hard.
It.
Rain
Hard.
All
Morning.